In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel or void e-signature documents in Docusign using the easiest method possible. We all know how crucial e-signatures are in managing documents online, and Docusign stands out as a leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. But what if you need to cancel or void a document, whether it's due to an error in the document or perhaps a change in agreement terms? Cancelling or voiding an e-signature document is something you'll inevitably need to handle. Don't worry, because I'm here to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring it's clear and easy to execute. First, you'll need to navigate to Docusign's website. Open your preferred web browser and simply type in www.docusign.com. Once you're there, you'll see options at the top right corner of the page. One of these options is Login. Click on the Login button to proceed. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you don't already have your login details handy, make sure you have them ready, as you'll need them to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Docusign homepage. From here, your journey to void a document begins. Look towards the top for an option labelled Agreements. Click on it. This will lead you to an overview page displaying all the agreements you've been working with, allowing you to quickly locate the one you need to void. Find the specific agreement that you intend to cancel or void. Once you locate it, look for a small icon next to the agreement listing. This will typically be a set of 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the action or menu button. Click on this 3-dot icon. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several options including the one we're seeking, Void. Select the Void option from this menu. Docusign will then prompt you to confirm your choice. Be sure you really want to do this, as voiding a document is a permanent action that can't be undone. If you're certain, confirm your choice, and just like that, you've successfully voided your document. Remember, voiding or cancelling a document in Docusign is straightforward when you follow these steps. It allows you to maintain control over your digital agreements, ensuring that only those documents you intend to execute are left pending or completed. This process safeguards against unintended commitments and ensures clarity across your digital paperwork. So, whenever you encounter the need to cancel or void an agreement in Docusign, you can confidently navigate through it with ease. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful in understanding the process of cancelling or voiding e-signature documents in Docusign. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.